Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Bolex Repair Philippines and Morbid Team Entertainment. Welcome to the 9th installment of a CLA on a Bolex D8L. So next we're going to start to remove the motor and around the winder crank here. I got to remove these 3 screws right at the turnkey. So let's get started on that. Okay, so now I'm going to remove these 3 small screws right at the spring motor turnkey. Next, going to remove this top plate over the spring motor. Got some old grease under there. This is going to expose the spring turnkey motor area. There's a big screw in the center that I had to remove. But first we're going to remove the turnkey. So next, I got to remove that large screw. I'm going to hold my thumb over the top of here so the springs are not going to fly out. They're going to turn around. That's what they're going to do. So let's get started on that. Disengaged underneath. There's the screw. Okay, next I'm going to remove this spring-loaded winder for the motor. Place that to the side. Okay. Clean that in a moment around the perimeter. Turn it over. And inside we have the motor itself. So we're going to start to go further and clean this up. Next I have 3 precision screws to remove, and we're going to get started on that. Okay, now that the screws are removed, I'm going to go ahead and push forward this bottom plate. Remove that, holding the other side there. Place that there momentarily, and this ring here. We'll remove this. Going to be a lot of grease with dirt and so forth. Next, we're going to start cleaning. I'll remove this gear here, and I'll start cleaning around the inside of the turn crank. Cleaning this gear and then relubing everything. All right, and the motor right here. Let's get started on that. Okay, and the spring here, I'm going to remove that. As you can see, and we have a move this part. As well. Okay, and it would appear, there we go. Okay, probably here's, I'm very sure where part of the problem lies. The grease on this ring here is solid with dirt. So I've got to remove this and clean it and reapply more grease. This is probably what's making the film counter sluggish. Alright, hope you've enjoyed this 9th installation of a CLA and overhaul on a Bolex D8L. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and put a like on my videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.